Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete X account. So let's get started. So if you want to delete X account, what you can do is just simply open up your X application. After opening up your X application, just tap on your profile icon, which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on your profile icon, just tap on settings and support, and inside settings and support, just tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, now what you can do is just tap on this first option, which is your account, and in the bottom you can find deactivate account. So just tap on deactivate account and then tap on deactivate. Now you just have to enter your account's password to deactivate your account. After entering your account's password, what you can do is just simply tap on deactivate, which is on the bottom right, and now it will ask you, do you want to deactivate your account? So just tap on yes, deactivate. And here you can see guys, my account has been successfully deactivated. And now if you will not access your account within 30 days, your account will be successfully deleted. So your username will not be appeared in the search bar if you search for it. So you just have to wait 30 days, and after 30 days if you change your mind, you can simply log into your account. Then they will not delete your account. But if you do not log into your account within 30 days, X or Twitter will delete your account permanently. So that's it guys, this is how to delete X account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.